In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Telegram username. This is a quick and simple process that only takes a few seconds. Your Telegram username is what other people use to find and message you without needing your phone number, so it's important to know where to find it and make sure it's set up correctly. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. Once Telegram loads, look for the hamburger menu icon in the top left corner. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click on that menu icon to open the navigation panel. From the menu options that appear, click on Settings. This will take you to your Telegram settings page where you can manage your account details and preferences. In the settings menu, look for the Edit Profile option and click on it. This is where you can view and modify your profile information, including your name, bio, and username. Once you're in the Edit Profile section, you'll be able to see your current username displayed on the screen. Your username will appear with an @ symbol in front of it, like @YourUsername. This is the unique identifier that other Telegram users can use to search for you and start a conversation. If you have a username set, it will be displayed here. If you don't see a username, it means you haven't created one yet, and you can set one up in this same section. And that's it. You've successfully checked your Telegram username. It's that simple. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one.